Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of November, 2024, our system has categorized iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.74. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower range of a declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor, valued at $89.75, is breached, it would initially signify an accelerated rate of decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 5.71% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 6.84% to an increase of 1.90%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 2.93% over the next year, with potential returns between 1.21% and 16.72%. This implies a projected price range of $91.94 to $106.03 after a year. Our latest daily update for the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond features a headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as ETF downgraded to sell candidate." The price of the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF declined by 1.74% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, dropping from $92.45 to $90.84. Throughout that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.89%, with a low of $90.80 and a high of $92.52. During this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 3.23% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 27 million shares, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next few days. In total, 78 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $7.13 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price of $101.64 and its lowest price of $86.60. Currently, the price is 10.62% or $10.80 below the 52-week high, and 49.45% or $88.86 below the all-time high recorded on the 9th of March 2020, when the price peaked at $179.70. As we move into November 2024, the Treasury bond market, particularly TLT, is drawing investor attention amidst evolving economic conditions. It has recently become evident that anticipated rate cuts from the Federal Reserve could significantly benefit long-duration bonds, such as TLT. The current environment features elevated government borrowing and rising unemployment rates, signaling economic uncertainty despite ongoing gross domestic product growth. With recession indicators on the horizon, market sentiment indicates a promising outlook for TLT in the short to medium term. Presently, interest rates are high, with the yield on the 10-year note hovering around 4.08%. Many analysts believe that rates may be nearing their peak, which could lead to price appreciation in long-dated Treasury bonds as rates begin to decline. This positions TLT as a strategic option for investors seeking safer alternatives in an unpredictable economic landscape. Furthermore, the current inflation trades and recent trends suggest that changes in asset class performance will continue to influence investment strategies. In the short term, as TLT attracts interest from risk-averse investors in search of stability, we may witness increased demand driving the price upward. Over the long term, sustained lower interest rates coupled with a potential recession could solidify TLT's role as a safe haven, drawing in more capital and potentially further enhancing its value. Therefore, TLT is poised to be a significant focal point for investors navigating these shifting market dynamics. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have been issued as well, which may influence the near short-term development. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $92.04 and $95.51. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 16, 2024, and so far, it has fallen by 10.35%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 35 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 27 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average produced a sell signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 9 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the ETF may experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, this ETF exhibits controlled movements, and with its strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $1.72 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to 1.89%. During the last week, the daily average volatility of the ETF was 1.28%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond is at $97.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a worthwhile investment? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond is currently showing several negative indicators and is part of a downward trend. Consequently, we believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative assessment of this ETF. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Monday, November 4th, we anticipate that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond will open at approximately 54 cents lower, starting the day at $91.39. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.